the most important thing about drawing is making a mark, okay? So before that, what we'll do is, before you start jumping into very complex or difficult compositions, I'm going to break it down very simply. The three shapes you have to get very familiar with is a circle, a square and a triangle. So I'm going to start off with the square, and I'm going to make a square. How do you turn a square into a chair, or how do you turn a square into a house? It all is all something in common. It has that shape of a cube, okay? So if you want to come over here again, I have my pencil and a piece of paper. And look, as I said, it's only photocopying paper. It's cheap and cheerful, so you don't have to be worrying about being precious, okay? So a square, okay, is a square. Now I'm going to turn that into a cube, okay? I'm going to join these up. Okay, now if you look at this particular composition, which is a chair by Vincent van Gogh, what has that got in common with this? So much, okay? So I'm going to show you magically up here, and it's very, very simple. So this is going to be the back line. This is the front leg, the back leg. There's the other back leg. Now, I haven't got the angle, but don't worry about that. What's the direction? There we go. And all of a sudden, when you think about it, I'm going to measure. So if you come over here, that is the same height as that. That's the same height as that. Now I'm showing you proportion. And then of course do the same. There we go. And then of course this line is mirrored with this line. And then all of a sudden you've got a chair. Now I think that's great. And I hope you enjoyed that. I've so much to show you. And if you are interested, just send me a text. But apart from that, I hope you enjoy them few tips. Try it yourself, and thanks very much.